Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Chris and thank you so much for tuning in to watch my video today. I hope everybody's having a fabulous day. Mine is really fabulous because I'm gonna unbox this beautiful Coach bag and I wanted to share it with y'all. Y'all, this is gonna be the large Kisslock and it's that beautiful, they call it candy or rainbow colored, crystal embellished Kisslock, and it's beautiful. I've ordered a couple of the bags. I actually, when I saw it, I like the crystal embellishment, but when I saw it in rainbow, I was like, oh my God, I've got to have this bag in my collection. I like the Pride stuff, and I just thought this really was reminiscent of that, but it came in the brown, I think crystallized, and then black crystallized. But when I saw that rainbow, y'all, I was like, oh my God, I've got to have it. So of course I ordered both of the Kisslocks, but I did get the first one in the large one, so I wanted to go ahead and unbox it with y'all and share it. So I just got the bag in the mail yesterday, y'all, and I could barely contain myself from going ahead and unboxing it, but I did want to share it with y'all, so I held off on that. So we're gonna unbox it on this video. So y'all stay tuned for that. But before I do that, I do want to say thanks to all of my returning subscribers. If you're new to my channel and you love luxury and handbags as much as I do, consider subscribing today by going ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, please do so. Hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok and I post high quality images of a lot of the stuff that I review on my Instagram page. So definitely check those out. And for everything else Mad Hatter, y'all definitely check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there, shopping links and discount codes as well. So definitely check that out. And lastly, if everybody could just take a moment, if you like this video, go ahead, smash that thumbs up button for me. I am trying to grow my channel and every little thumbs up does help. So thank you so much for that. And with all that being said, y'all, let's go ahead. We're gonna unbox this beautiful Coach Kisslock and this beautiful rainbow embellished crystal. So let me get the box here off the floor and we're gonna unbox it together. It did come in just a standard brown box here from Coach. All right, before we open it up, I do wanna share a little bit of history about the Kisslock with y'all in case you're unfamiliar with that. So let me read directly off the Coach's website and share a little bit of history about this bag before I show it to you. Our Coach Kisslock frame bag is based on the Cash and Carry from 1969. It's an archival style. It was designed by Coach's first lead designer, Bonnie Cashin. It's now reimagined as a spacious carry-all, and it's crafted out of their smooth vachetta leather and shimmering crystal embellished signature jacquard in a bright rainbow ombre. It features a Kisslock closure, inside zip pocket to organize your things, and a crush-worthy oversized heart charm. It's finished with a detachable shoulder strap. And their signature jacquard is made with a blend of 36 recycled polyester and 64 regenerative cotton, sourced from farms that use regenerative agricultural practices that help to maintain and rejuvenate the land, increase biological diversity and soil health, and could lead to increased carbon absorption. It reflects Coach's ongoing commitment to help reduce our impact on the planet. So those are wonderful things. Really great information as well. So let's go ahead and we're gonna unbox this beautiful bag here. Like I said, it did just come in the brown box here, but let's open it up together and see how it looks. And I can't wait to see it. I'm gonna cut right into this and see how Coach has given me a package today, see how they packaged it. I did ask for the gift wrapping on the shipment, so hopefully it's gonna be packaged really nicely. Let me move my camera down so we can see it a little bit better. All right, now you can see the box a little bit better. Let's get into it here. All right, and here is the packaging on the inside, y'all. Came just like that with the little Coach sticker and the brown paper here. Let me get it out for you and let's see this bag. Okay, let me move this box out of the way here. All right. All right, y'all, and here it is in the box, and there is the Coach packaging it came in. Very nice Coach. I love when they gift wrap stuff. It just makes you have a really nice feeling of something being a little bit more special when they do this. So very nice packaging. I love the little red ribbon. All right, y'all, so let's unbox this beautiful rainbow crystallized bag. Slide the ribbon off here. I really wasn't sure if I was gonna like a big bag like this as far as the Kisslock style, but I've seen so many people with it in the leather version. I just had to have it. And then, like I said, when I saw the rainbow colors, y'all, I just was like, I just melted. I was like, this is a beautiful bag. And it's just screaming my name. So I had to buy it. So let's get into it here. Open it up. All right. All right, y'all, here she is in the dust bag. Y'all know how we feel about a dust bag. But should we treat this one nicely? I don't know, y'all. What do y'all think? All right, y'all. So let's take this baby out. I'm gonna show it to the world. And y'all know how we feel about the dust bag. It's just a damn dust bag, y'all. Look at that. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God, I don't know what to think. It's really big, but it's also really beautiful and shiny and sparkly. So I'm gonna just do a 360 here of the Kisslock, and then of course I will take everything off of it and we'll get a little bit closer and I'll show up a little bit closer on the details and everything. But that is it. It's very super sparkly. I love the color on it. It does look like a piece of candy. So beautiful. And of course I'm gonna go over it and make sure everything is right, because I have seen a couple of videos on TikTok where they had like some glue issues. So we're gonna inspect the bag and everything, but I'll be right back and I'm gonna take everything off of it so I can show you the close-up details of it, but yay. All right, y'all, so I managed to get all of the wrapping off of it and the packaging out of the inside, and here it is in all its stunning glory. Beautiful rainbow ombre print with the crystals. I just love it. I think it's a beautiful candy color. Let's do a little 360 here, and of course I will come back and show you details up close on it. But there is the back side of it there. Still has the Coach tags and everything on it. There's the little red bag charm that came on it here, and leather, and then of course you get the two little hang tags there with Coach on it as well. So that's the side of it there, and then there's your other front side of it there. All right, let me show you the bottom of it. There's the bottom. Very nice. And let's move it a little closer so you can see the detail work on these crystals. All right, so there is your hang tag there. And then of course that's your Kisslock going up the top there. And then you have the opening there, the two little pearl-like things that open it up, the clasp. All right, and let me show you the crystals up close a little bit. Just get in a little bit closer here so you can see the details on that beautiful color and crystals. I just think it's beautiful. I love the rainbow color too. Yeah, I love this. It's just so, so beautiful. I'm almost scared that I'm gonna knock some of the crystals off of it, so I don't know that we'll use it a lot. What do y'all think? Have y'all had these bags like this? Are they easy to remove? I know I've had phone cases and stuff in the past that had them and they eventually fall off. So I'm scared. What do y'all think? I did order the smaller version of it just because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like this bigger version, and I just don't know. I need to wait until I get the smaller one and see if maybe I just wanna keep the smaller one, but y'all know I like a big bag, so I thought this would be a good size for me. Just not really sure as far as the crystals go. I may actually want this bag just in a regular leather version. I wouldn't be as scared that something's gonna happen to the crystals, but let me show you the rest of the bag real quick. So let's open up the clasp. And then there is your Kisslock on the inside there, and there's the interior of the bag. So very nice leather interior, and it's beautiful. It has the Coach logoing and everything right inside here, if you can see that. And then it has a little zipper pocket on the back here. And then you have a little, let me just unzip it a little bit where you can see it. You have this little chain here that you can pull, but it doesn't have anything on it. It's just a little chain. I would think it would have like a little something on the end of it, but it's just a little piece of chain link there, if you can see that. So unzip it, and then the zipper's nice on it. You've got a little spacious pocket there to put everything, and there's some Coach paperwork down inside there. The inside of the pocket is a canvas material, if you can see that. So it does have canvas on the inside of that. But the rest of the bag on the inside is this really soft leather material, and it's super, super soft, y'all. And you got plenty of room to store stuff in the bottom. So very nice. And then on the side here, I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the side here when you open it up. So that's the shape of it once you open it up, the Kisslock completely up. Okay, so that is the outside and inside of the bag. And let me show you the strap that came with it real quick. All right, y'all, so here is the strap that came with it. It is just your typical Coach little over the shoulder strap here in this nice leather. And it has the dog leash style clasp on it in that beautiful gold color. And of course it has your normal typical Coach logoing and everything on the clasp right here. So very nice. It feels nice. And of course the stitching on it is beautiful, like Coach always is. There's your other one. And it's just an over the shoulder strap, so it's not very long. And then it's got two little D-rings on the back of the bag here on each side that you can attach it to. So let me attach it real quick. And then I'm gonna show you what it looks like on me, because of course I'm 6'2", so you know it's gonna look a little small on me, but it is a big bag. And if you're a small petite person, it's really gonna look really big on you. So let me show you what it looks like on me. All right, y'all, here it is on me. And you can see the size of comparison. Like I said, I'm about 6'2", and I'm a pretty big guy, so that's how it looks on me. So you can get a little comparison of what it's gonna look like on you. So that's what it looks like on a 6'2" man. I love the bag though, it feels nice. Like I said, I'm just worried that I'm gonna knock some of the crystals off and it's not gonna hold up. Y'all let me know what you think. Have y'all had some of these crystal embellished bags? Do they hold up? Do the crystals come off after a while? Should I be scared? I mean, it's not a cheap bag, but it is a beautiful bag. Y'all let me know what you think about it. Does it even fit me? I'm not really sure yet. I do love a shoulder bag though, just because it's just easy to carry. And it just seems like when you're carrying it, you don't really have anything over your shoulder. So it's a beautiful bag, and I just love that it's got that beautiful shimmery crystal on it, but just not sure if it's gonna be for me or if it's gonna hold up, y'all. So y'all let me know what you think in the comments of it. It is a beautiful bag. I'm just not sure about these crystals, if they're gonna hold up. Let me know about that, and let me know what you think. Does it fit me? Should I keep it, or should I maybe just wait and get the smaller version and see if I like it a little bit better? But it is a nice bag, and like I said, if I do send it back, I may wind up ordering a Kisslock in the leather version. I'm just not really sure, but it is beautiful, and I do love the rainbow print that they come out with, but I'm not really sure about it in this particular bag for me. So y'all please let me know what you think about that in the comments, but that is how it looks on me. It does feel super comfortable, like I said, so we'll just see. But I'm happy with it. We'll see what it looks like after I get the smaller version in. I did order the rainbow bag charm as well, but such a beautiful bag here. I'm gonna show you some footage of the bag and some different lighting so you can see the crystals a little bit better right after this. So stay tuned for that. All right, y'all, that's my review for today on this beautiful Coach Kisslock and this beautiful jacquard crystal rainbow ombre print. I think it's stunning. The whole line that they've came out with this drop is really stunning as well, but I'm just not really sure if this is a bag for me as far as the delicacy of it. I do like the size of it, but I may wind up getting the leather version of it as well, just because I'm afraid that the crystals may come off. Y'all let me know if you've experienced anything like that, if you do have the crystals on the previous drops. I do appreciate y'all for watching my review on it, and I hope it helped you out in case you're on the fence about getting this stunning bag. The color on it is really beautiful. Thank you so much again for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead while you're here, hit that subscribe button before you leave, and please give my video a thumbs up if you will. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all on my next review. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.